In this video, we will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to obtain your I-94. Let's start with opening up your browser and type the word I-94. Before accessing the webpage, to make sure that you're clicking the correct link, the link page needs to be titled I-94/I-95 website. Once we click on the page, the website should look something like this. In the navigation bar, click on the tab that says Get Most Recent I-94/I-95 and accept the terms and conditions. The next part is typing in your traveler information. In this section, you will copy the information that is written on your passport, such as your first name, your last name, your date of birth, country of citizenship, which is the passport you enter the US with, and document number, which is the serial number on your passport. Once these sections are filled, we want to press continue. And that's it. This is what your I-94 is going to look like and what we ask for you to print out. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your time. If you have any other further questions, please feel free to contact us.